The richest, most high-performing people in the world share a surprising morning habit, one that keeps their minds sharp, their bodies lean, and their aging clock running in slow motion. And the craziest part? Anyone can do it. It costs nothing, takes just minutes, and rewires your biology in a way most people never experience. Every morning, before emails, before breakfast, before anything, they activate a simple biological switch that boosts metabolism, lowers inflammation, and strengthens cellular repair. And once you understand how it works, you'll never want to start your day any other way. This is the morning habit billionaires use to stay ageless and fit, and today, you'll learn exactly how to make it part of your life. The first thing this habit does is reset your internal stress system before the day begins. When your brain wakes up too quickly into stress mode, it floods the body with cortisol, which accelerates aging and makes fat harder to burn. Research shows that slow, controlled wake-up practices calm the nervous system and protect your cells from early damage. Simply spending your first 60 seconds in stillness before touching your phone lowers morning stress spikes dramatically. It also activates something called your metabolic ignition. Your metabolism doesn't just turn on in the morning. It responds to signals. When you give your body a gentle challenge early in the day, like light stretching or a cold splash of water, you stimulate mitochondrial activity, the tiny engines in your cells responsible for energy and longevity. Just 2 to 3 minutes of morning movement or cooling can jumpstart fat burning for hours. This habit improves gut health the moment your feet hit the floor. Your gut has its own internal clock, and when mornings are chaotic, digestion becomes sluggish and bloating becomes more common. Calming your environment and giving your body predictable morning cues helps balance gut bacteria and makes nutrient absorption more efficient. Drinking a glass of room temperature water right after waking supports hydration and prepares the digestive system for the day. Another powerful effect is the activation of the lymphatic system, your body's internal detox network. Overnight, waste builds up between your cells, including in your brain. Gentle movement in the morning boosts circulation and helps clear this waste faster. Just 1 minute of deep breathing with slow arm movements can increase oxygen flow and lymphatic drainage. One of the most underrated parts of this habit is its ability to extend your longevity by stimulating something called cellular housekeeping. Early morning fasting, even for a short window, signals your cells to clean up damaged proteins and repair themselves. This process is linked with slower aging and better metabolic health. Simply waiting 60 to 90 minutes before your first meal can help enhance this natural repair cycle. It also improves something elite performers rely on heavily: metabolic flexibility. This is your body's ability to switch between burning sugar and burning fat. When mornings start with balance instead of heavy food or caffeine, your body learns to use stored energy more efficiently. A short walk outside before eating teaches your metabolism to rely less on quick sugar and more on steady, long-lasting fuel. Another reason high achievers depend on this habit is its impact on inflammation, the silent driver of aging. When mornings start abruptly, inflammation markers remain high throughout the day. But when your nervous system stays grounded upon waking, your body releases fewer inflammatory molecules. Just 3 minutes of slow nasal breathing in the morning helps regulate this response and keeps inflammation lower. This habit is also a secret weapon for brain longevity. Your brain is extremely sensitive to how your morning begins, and sudden stimulation, phones, noise, rushing, disrupts focus and raises stress hormones. Intentional calm in the first few minutes supports better memory, sharper decision-making, and improved emotional balance. Stepping outside for natural morning light, even for 30 seconds, helps your brain lock into a healthy rhythm that improves mood and long-term cognitive health. One more benefit, and this is a big one, is improved insulin sensitivity, a major factor in weight loss and slow aging. When you start your morning in motion instead of immediately eating, your body becomes better at handling glucose. Light movement before your first meal can help your muscles absorb sugar more effectively, reducing energy crashes and supporting fat loss throughout the day. And finally, this habit reinforces discipline, which has a measurable effect on your biology. Consistency builds neural pathways that make healthy choices easier throughout the day. People who anchor their mornings with intention tend to have lower stress levels, better sleep patterns, and stronger metabolic health overall. So what is this morning habit? It's a sequence, a ritual, built around just 3 ideas. Wake up slowly, move gently, and delay your first meal. That's it. Simple, free, and biologically powerful. Wake up slowly by giving yourself 1 minute of stillness before you touch your phone or step out of bed. Let your nervous system settle before the day begins. Move gently with 2 to 3 minutes of stretching, deep breathing, or a cold splash of water to activate circulation and mitochondrial energy. And delay your first meal by 60 to 90 minutes so your body can complete its natural repair cycle, support gut health, and stabilize metabolism. This is the foundation of the billionaire morning habit, not a product, not a supplement, not a complicated routine. Just a biologically aligned way to start the day that keeps your metabolism flexible, your inflammation low, and your aging clock moving slower. If you found these science-backed insights helpful, consider subscribing for more calm, practical guidance on longevity, nutrition, and feeling your best every day.